What is going on? My name is AlTone, and this is the DEERC 210E Brushless RC Car, and it is super fast. So first of all, I want to thank DEERC for sending this out to me for me to try out. This is my favorite at this point and probably one of the fastest that I own. So what comes in a box with this awesome little truck is the DEERC 210E RC Car, the remote control, a USB charging cable, 2 batteries, the manual, and an accessory pack. And I can tell you from experience from running this guy that you're gonna need some of those extra parts because I actually ran the tires off of this guy a couple of times. So let's take a look at the truck itself. First off, you have the nice RC body cover that is absolutely beautiful. In the front, you have your status LED lights, your ESC, your steering servo, your battery bay with Velcro battery straps, and a brushless motor. And the transmitter is one that's very similar to the transmitter that you will see with many of their RC cars. So on the transmitter itself, of course, you have your on-off switch, LED status indicator light, your speed switch adjustment and steering trim adjustment, your steering wheel, which has a little padding on it, which is fantastic, your throttle trigger that has 3 functions, forward, brake, and reverse, and your battery bay, which requires 3 batteries not included. And some of the specifications of the DEERC 210E are that it has a powerful, and I do mean powerful, brushless motor, splash-proof ESC, 20 minutes of runtime per battery, a reinforced car shell, dual alloy differential, oil-filled shocks, 2.4 Hz radio control system, all-terrain tires and wheels, and this guy will indeed go up to, if not exceeding, 60 kilometers per hour, which is around 37 miles per hour. All I can say is this guy is a beast. I have wrecked it a few times, but you'll notice I only have a few scratches on the top because it's rolled and ran into some things, and I'm sure I will be wearing the tread off of these tires. It is extremely fast. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again in a future video.